If you're wondering what the difference between the new generation of Traeger Timberline and Traeger Ironwood are, you've got the right video. Both are great units with the latest generation of Traeger WiFIRE control, pop and lock accessories and 2 wide meat probes. Both units come with dual walls, fully insulated, fiberglass seals as well. Easy grease cleanup. We do also get super smoke and keep warm functions. Realistically, these alone give you a dream of a cook. The two Timberlines do offer some advantages and some additional accessories you're not going to find in the Ironwood. It is designed to be a full built-in kitchen with 15 to 20% more cooking space. Also comes with full stainless steel racks, built-in cabinetry and chopping boards. We've also got the induction cooktop and some Meter X wireless probes. If you want a simple, easy cook and the reliability of Traeger, the Ironwood will not let you down. However, if you have a spare couple of grand kicking around, the Timberline offers some great value and a fantastic outdoor cooking experience.